bring it back like the brothers getting handcuffs, cause we be drinking up cups of what? Whatever, man. Handcuffing right in front of his girl. He ain't staring at her eyes, but he's staring at her shoulder. He's getting drowsy. Sways to the left cause his balance is lousy. He starts to clown me cause I didn't drink, but I laugh at him back cause I got his girlfriend. I never stagger, I swagger. If there's no run, she's telling me to catch her. So I catch her, and when I get her, I will not let her go until the day after. He ain't got a house, he ain't got a car, he ain't got a deal, but I got skills, and I keep it real just like my music. I'm like Nike, homie, just do it. And we gonna take control. Oh, my mic can be a little bit lower. So slick. Yeah, ain't no. Oh, bring it back. Looking at the screen. Let me show you where it's at. Let me show you. Put your damn like that, like that. Hey, put your hands up, yo. Right there, man. I'm tomorrow. You my girl, my girl, my girl. For sure. What up? You looking so pale. You moving left now. You moving to the girl, but she pushes you away. She knows something you don't. You wonder what it is. I will tell you why she doesn't want you to get close. Because of that thing, let's do it. She knows you shy. You trying to hide. Baby, I can make you smile. I can make you